Hi, I'm Renato Tomei. I teach at the Umbra Institute, and I've spent years exploring the rich linguistic cultures of Africa and Jamaica through my research in Afro-Caribbean and post-colonial studies and world Englishes. I have obtained my PhD in applied linguistics with a case study on Ethiopia, and I'm currently working on the translinguistic practices of refugees and asylum seekers coming through the Mediterranean from Africa to Europe. Today, I'm excited to invite you to embark on an academic journey with me here at the Umbra Institute in Perugia, Italy. This course offers an hands-on, primary research-focused experience. It's designed to immerse you in the vibrant life of Perugia and the Umbria region, turning the city into your classroom. You'll engage in field-based work, comparing your experiences to those of local and international authors. We'll dive into various writing styles: descriptive, narrative, expository, persuasive, with individual and collecting writing activities, including creating an anthology of your works. We will work together to enhance your skills and showcase your insights. This course isn't just about learning to write or conduct research. It's about creating a bridge between the classroom and the real world. It's about discovering the world and your place within it. The skills you acquire here will contribute to illuminating your path in any discipline. So, I really hope to see you.